without getting confused, guys, this taskbar in the middle, Windows 11, to send it on the corner like Windows 10. So all you do is you go to settings, click on settings, and then you go to personalization, click on it, then you go to taskbar, click on it, and then you go to task behaviors here, and then task alignment, which is on this side, and go here, is on the center. You put it on the left, or you leave it in the center as you wish, and then everything moves to the left like before. Thank you, bye bye.